Good afternoon. I am Priyanka Rajput, Assistant Professor of SIRT Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the subject of power electronics. Today is our first lecture. We will discuss about the introductions of the power electronics, syllabus about the power electronics and books references as well as the applications and object of the power electronics. Okay. Now, what is the syllabus of power electronics? In the first unit, we will learn about the different types of semiconductor devices as well as the SCRs. In the second unit, we will learn about the rectifier, control and uncontrolled rectifier. In the third unit, we will learn about the inverters, and in the fourth unit, we will learn about the chopper, and in the fifth unit, we will learn about the cycloconverter. All units are very important. And next, books for the power electronics. The next book is the reference books of the power electronics is best book of power electronics is PS Bhimra. Is the mostly useful for the GATE exam and other government exams. And some pupils are also prefer reference book of Rashid. But from my point of view, PS Bhimra is the best book for the power electronics. Now, first, what is a power electronics? Power electronics is a field which combine power and electronics and control. Means what? Engineering deal with the static and rotating for the generation, transmission and distribution of electric power. And electronics deal with the study of solid state semiconductor power devices and circuit for the power conversion to meet the desired control objective to control the output voltage and output power. It means what we can say, power electronics may be defined as the subject of application of solid state power semiconductor devices for the control and conversion of electric power. Means what we can say, power electronics is the combination of power and electronics and control. Whenever we combine all the words power, electronics and control, it say power electronics engineering. Then what is the object of power electronics? Main applications of power electronics is what? Main object of the power electronics is, in the power electronics subject we will study about the different type of semiconductor devices as well as its switching characteristics. And application of power electronics is used in different applications such as a domestic purpose, such as a industrial purpose, as well as in all the field of industries. Next, from one question from my side, but before these questions I again conclude this lecture. SCR. In the first unit we will learn about the SCR. SCR is a silicon control rectifier. What? Silicon control rectifier. Okay. And we will learn about the second unit rectifier. In the third unit, chopper. Means what is a chopper and rectifier? Rectifier is a device, yeah, or converter which convert AC power into the DC power. Yeah, but inverter convert DC power to AC power. Chopper convert DC to DC, but cycloconverter converts AC to AC power. Clear? Now, one example for power electronics. We all are use charger at our home. Yeah. So charger, whenever we charge our mobile, it's charged through the DC power. But at our home come AC power. Means what? We require rectifier for converting this AC power into the DC power. So this is a converter. Means whenever anybody asks to you कि what is a converter, you think about rectifier, chopper, cycloconverter and inverters. Then today's my quiz question is what? Okay, what what is the full name of the SCR? What? Think about this. First option is silicon control rectifier and second option is silicon control reactor. Think about this and please give the answer in the chat box. Answer is from my side. The right answer is A, silicon control rectifier. Thank you. Thank you so much.